Hey everyone, Nicholas from Cnect here. Just want to say hi from Colorado. Just out hiking with my family and some friends, spending some time in nature and just rejuvenating. I work with our customer success team, serving all of our clients across several different capacities. I think what I love the most about working with Cnect is just the diverse industries that our clients come from, anywhere from restaurants and hospitality to staffing and recruiting, technology, engineering, finance, healthcare. It's just so great to be able to be a part of so many of our clients' hiring journeys across all of these different industries. I feel like I've learned a ton, and my hope is no matter what industry I'm working with, to always kind of better our clients and what their goals are.